Welcome to my channel, Improve Your GK. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. 1. Which bird lays only one egg in 2 years? A. Sparrow. B. Penguin. C. Eagle.
The correct answer is B. Penguin.
2. What is the creature that can live for many days, even if it cuts off its head? A. Ant. B. Lizard. C. Cockroach. The correct answer is C. Cockroach. 3. Which creature drops its tail to escape from a danger? A. Lizard. B. Squirrel. C. Rat. The correct answer is A. Lizard. 4. Which creature eats its food by closing its eyes? A. Frog. B. Squirrel. C. Snake. The correct answer is A. Frog.
5. What is a bird that hides itself under the soil to avoid attack? A. Penguin. B. Ostrich. C. Swan. The correct answer is B. Ostrich.
6. Which species of lizard has 3 eyes? A. Chameleon. B. Iguana. C. Gecko. The correct answer is A. Chameleon. 7. Which is the world's smallest snake? A. Barbados. Thread snake. B. Garter. Snake. C. Ball python. The correct answer is A. Barbados thread snake. 8. Which organfish does not have? A. Kidney. B. Liver. C. Lungs. The correct answer is C. Lungs. 9. Which is the biggest water snake? A. Cerberus rhynchops. B. Anhydrus plumbea. C. Hydrophis spiralis. The correct answer is C. Hydrophis spiralis. 10. Which animal grows faster than other animals? A. Blue whales. B. Elephant. C. Giraffe. The correct answer is A. Blue whales. 11. Who is the person who walks on 7 steps since birth? A. Gautama Buddha. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Chanakya. The correct answer is A. Gautam Buddha. 12. Which animal breathes through eyes and nose? A. Deer. B. Horse. C. Camel. The correct answer is A. Deer. 13. Where in the world winged snakes are found? A. Netherlands. B. Australia. C. Brazil. The correct answer is B. Australia. 14. Which bird goes to another's nest and lays eggs? A. Parrot. B. Sparrow. C. Cuckoo. The correct answer is C. Cuckoo. 15. Which animal can look in 2 different directions with 2 eyes? A. Lizard. B. Chameleon. C. Snake. The correct answer is B. Chameleon.
O